Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNGA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. But more so in this example, it just allows summarizing the price action very efficiently. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize the price action on this one today, this thing was an absolute pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm just making that statement based solely on how the price acted today, hence price reaction. So let's kind of just quickly map out the context of things. And the context is that for quite a while, the price, well, I take that back, not for quite a while, but recently the price has essentially been trapped down below 17 cents. And, more so 17 and a half cents now that I look at it a little bit more, but 17 and a half, I mean, it's a pump and dump either way. But my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a great move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started. Again, not like a epic definition. In fact, I'd say a pretty straightforward definition that people would agree with. So let's quickly just go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. First part of the definition, well, as we just established, basically started right around there on the breakout, went all the way up there. I think we can all agree that was a really nice move. And then within a short amount of time, so again, that second part of the definition, considering this all happened in one single day, I'm thinking we can all agree that this did indeed happen within a short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower, and you look at where the price ultimately closed today, right there. Not to insult your intelligence, but I mean, you look back here, and that's literally right back to where it was at these lows, and that's just not what a sign of true power is going to do. If a price movement has true power, it's actually going to make progress forward, not go back to where it was. And in this situation, it went back to where it was. So I'm not saying the price can never, ever make a good move again. I'm just saying as far as that price jolt that occurred today, yeah, there is no true power behind it, and it turned out to just simply be a pump and dump. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.